there is ये हुआ ये हुआ principal axis. This is pole, this is center of curvature, and this is focus. ठीक है. तो क्या हुआ भाई, when light ray coming from when object at infinity, first when object at infinity, right? तो लाइट रे राइट, सॉरी मैंने क्या मैं लिख रहा हूँ यार, वेयर इज माय नेम गॉन. This is this is center of curvature and this is focus. When object is at infinity and this is the light ray coming from infinity, after reflection goes through focus. ठीक है. And light ray from infinity goes through focus. तो ये जो है ये इंसिडेंट रे हुआ ना, ये लाइट रे फ्रॉम इंफिनिटी. When object is an infinity, light ray is coming like this and meeting coming here, and when it is coming like this after reflection, it goes like this. तो ये कहाँ पे मिल रहा है? It will met at focus. So focus will be here, right? Focus will be here. Light rays when object is at infinity, so this is line and it is passing through, it is ठीक है, it is coming like this, right? और इसका जो नॉर्मल से इसका एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस है, ये जो ये जो लाइन है, इससे एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज इक्वल टू एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, राइट? और यहाँ से जो एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस है वो एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, ये दोनों बराबर होंगे और यहाँ पे इमेज फॉर्म होगी. ठीक है. तो व्हेन ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट इंफिनिटी, इमेज एट फोकस, इमेज at focus. When object at infinity, image at focus. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
And when object is at infinity, और दूसरा क्या होता है कि when object is at focus, right? When object is at focus, suppose the same line I extend up to here and I take it like this. This is curvature. This is curvature. This is center of curvature. This is focus. Right? तो क्या होगा? If object is at focus, so line parallel to the principal axis goes through focus, right? And line from center of curvature behaves like a normal की तरह behave करती है. तो it is, so ये object हो गया हमारा when object at focus, then image at infinity. You get that?
Yes, sir.
क्या बताया मैंने? When object has infinity, image at focus.
Oh.
When object at infinity, image at focus. When object at focus, then image at infinity. You get this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Should I rub?
Yes, sir.
इसके बाद one more. By concave mirror. ठीक है? Concave mirror. फिर अब तो ये हुआ हमारा कॉनकेव मिरर, और ये हुआ प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, ये हुआ पोल, ये हुआ फोकस, ये हुआ सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, राइट? एंड व्हेन ऑब्जेक्ट इज इन बिटवीन पोल एंड फोकस, when object is in between pole and focus, क्या?
When object is between the pole and focus.
When object between pole and focus, so line parallel to the principal axis after reflection goes through focus. ठीक है? ये फोकस के थ्रू चली गई, राइट? एंड लाइन फ्रॉम सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर बिहेव्स लाइक ए नॉर्मल. तो ये ऐसे नॉर्मल की तरह हो गई, राइट? So they are not intersecting each other. They are diverging on this side. So diverging on this side. And when you extend it toward this side, so they will meet. Right? They will meet. ठीक है? और ये जो होता है ये हो गया, ये हो गया, ये हो गई, ये हुआ वर्चुअल इरेक्ट and enlarged on the other side of mirror. ठीक है, ये हो गया on the other side of mirror. ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
तो ये वर्चुअल बनी, इरेक्ट बनी, इनलार्ज बनी ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ मिरर.
Mirror.
ठीक है,
हाँ sir.
when object is between pole and focus. Yeah, when object between
Pole and focus.
pole and focus.
वो तो लिखा था सर अपने,
कहाँ लिखा था?
उधर देखिए ऊपर रॉकेट लेटर.
कोई बात नहीं, ठीक हो गया. नाउ अब नेक्स्ट कंडीशन क्या आती है, राइट? शुड आई रब दिस?
Yes, sir.
When object beyond C, सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, तो हमें कर्व सरफेस ऐसे बनाएंगे, ये सी एफ एंड पी. ठीक है, अब आपने ऑब्जेक्ट को यहां पे रखा, ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट बियॉन्ड सी, राइट? तो लाइन पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन गोज थ्रू focus. It is going through focus, and line from center of curvature is behaving like a normal. It returned back. So image is formed between. So image is formed between C and F. When beyond C, then C and F. Real inverted is smaller than object. Is smaller than object. राइट? ये हो गया. अब ऑब्जेक्ट, when object is at C, when object at C, मतलब center of curvature, when object is here, the line parallel to the principal axis after reflection goes through focus. और line from focus after reflection goes through ये ऑलमोस्ट सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर पे आएगा. फ्री हैंड है इसलिए ऐसा हो रहा है. तो when object is C, image is also at C. Image is also at C. Real inverted same size of object, right? ये दोनों बराबर होंगे, right? ये इस तरह से बनेगा.
कौन था?
अरे ठीक है. अब ये हो गया.
Yes, sir.
Should I rub?
Yes, sir.
So when object is beyond C, then image is in between C and F. Real inverted smaller than object. When object is at C, then image is also at C, right? Real inverted same size of object. I should rub this, right? And when object between C and F, when object is between C and F, right? So this is pole. This is C, this is F, right? Or when object is at here between C and F, center of curvature and focus, so line parallel to the principal axis after reflection goes through focus. ठीक है, goes through focus, and when line is passing through center of curvature, line passing through center of curvature is intersecting here, right? So image is formed here. Image is formed beyond C, right? Beyond C. So image is real inverted larger than object, larger than object, larger than object. ठीक है, image is real, inverted, larger than object. ठीक. So when object is between C and F, image is image is real, inverted, larger than object, and beyond C. Beyond C. Right? Beyond C, image is formed. I hope you understand. When object is between C and F, image is beyond C. Real, inverted, larger than object. Do you understand this? So these are the 7